All right, I'm with Leah and Mia today. We're gonna stock up on the huge. Not very busy today. One of my strategies to avoid all the temptation is I go down the back way. If you go down the other aisle, they've got everything designed and set up to tempt you. We already ate. You gotta stay strong. Oh, see, look at that. She's already getting distracted. See, lately they've been putting kids stuff on display right here. Always gets her attention. But we don't need that, right, Leah? We don't need that.
Yeah.
Right? Or do we need it?
Yeah.
First on the list, these watermelons have been amazing. So, did mommy put watermelon on there? Yeah. Yep, that's right. So fruits sometimes are hit and miss at Costco, but their watermelon lately, 10 out of 10. We've been going through onions like crazy, and they've got this 10-pound bag. Daddy uses onions all the time. Best deal on onions, Costco, hands down. Definitely get some bananas. These look like they're good. Oh yeah, put them right there next to you, okay? Thank you. Stone fruits are coming out. Now they're not organic. I think we should totally try these. White peaches, one of my favorites. You know what, this one looks good. Woo, look at the color of this. It's a deep red. Sometimes they're kind of whitish like this. All right, let's get that. All right, hey, here, let me put it down here, okay? Don't drop it though, girl. Come on, I got it. Thank you. And these berries are looking awesome too. These blueberries specifically. Look at that. Man, I'm impressed with the berries. The quality and the color. Last fruit on the list are these grapes. So Judy swears that Costco has the best grapes. Oh, look back here, see? That's what I'm saying. People grab the good ones. Gotta reach all the way in the back. These green grapes. Ah, look at those. You think mommy will like those? I think so. Another thing I like about cuties is the fact that it's not only easy for the older ones to peel, even the little ones can peel these. Caras, you say cuties. Grab one bag of those. What do we need?
We need milk.
Milk, okay.
Then we need apples.
Okay, no, we're not gonna do apples. What about blueberries?
Yes, we need.
Okay.
And we need like
Do we need ice cream?
coffee.
Okay, ice cream. More snacks? Okay, more snacks.
Mama,
How about ramen? Ramen too?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
All right, we got it all. All right, here we go. Hold the list. Make sure you remind me, okay? Okay, so girls weren't a huge fan of this, but if you see this, bacon and white cheddar brats or smoked sausage, these are so good. Imagine the flavor profile of bacon with a little bit of cheese, but in a sausage format right here. Where have you seen strawberry milk at?
Wow.
I've never seen strawberry milk.
Rosie.
Where is it?
Yeah.
I don't know. You're the one that mentioned strawberry milk.
Have you done strawberry milk? Because what strawberry milk?
I don't know. Why'd you think about strawberry milk? Where'd you get the idea?
Because the strawberry milk.
Yeah, we don't need strawberry milk. They don't have it here either.
I want strawberry milk.
You like strawberry milk?
No, I want strawberry milk, baby.
No, no. You already know. The huge. Aye. We always get these juice boxes here.
Daddy?
And the Kirkland Signature is our favorite. I'm telling you guys, this is the way to go. I kind of like the Honest brand, but this juice definitely has way more flavor. Look, no added sweeteners either. Do we really need mango nectar? We ran out?
Yep.
Man, you girls drink so much of this.
I didn't get any.
You didn't get any? At all, at all.
I had like.
Okay, so that doesn't classify as you didn't get any.
One cup.
Okay, well then, guess what? You want to know what Daddy got? 0.
You don't like it.
Oh, I like it.
My go, what are you? How do you do?
Mayo. Is it the only one? You're saying it's the only one left?
No, the flavor.
I told you we were going to go back there and get it.
Huh? Well, I got it.
She wanted to make sure I didn't forget. But I was going to...
Look, it's protein.
Okay, here, let me see this. One of the things on the list is this mac and cheese. It's called Goodles. Shella Good, aged white cheddar and shells. What is it? Is it high protein? Is that what it is?
Look, yeah.
Or is it different?
Look inside.
Huh.
Oh, look, it shows here.
Oh, here, let's look at it. All right, preposterously delicious, nutrient-packed mac and cheese. 14 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber, low glycemic index for steady energy, 21 nutrients from plants, no bad stuff, no GMOs. No, Mia said there's no GMOs in this. Real cheese. Hey, look at this. There's real cheese in it. Whoa. And then unbelievably delicious. Oh, this means that you can feed it to unicorns.
Yeah.
Daddy,
You want to feed it to a unicorn?
we don't have a.
But Daddy, there's different
No.
flavors.
Have you heard of that brand before? Because is that a health brand? Is that what it's supposed to be? It's a healthy mac and cheese?
Yeah.
Anyways, the girls love it. Annie's is our normal go-to, but
They're just hiding the fact they don't like it.
they're hiding the
Daddy,
fact that they don't like
hiding
it?
the fact they do like it.
Oh,
Daddy,
okay.
Daddy.
What?
I like baking, but.
Chicken bake?
Please, Daddy. Please, Daddy. Please.
I just recently found out that peanut butter is really popular here in America, but not
already have
popular
the other
in other countries. Did you know that?
No.
So tell me if you have peanut butter in your country. I'm curious. We've got both creamy and extra crunchy. So there's little bits of peanuts in this one. They've also got the Kirkland brand creamy peanut butter. There's one more brand. And look at this. Wait 1 second. Look at this. Adams 100% natural peanut butter, crunchy. It's even got these huge chunks of peanuts at the top with the oil that separates. It looks like the oil used to deep fry. What? What?
What is that hour?
What's that? What is that? Oh, Nutella?
Yes.
Okay, so if you're allergic to peanuts, they also have this, the almond butter option. And then they've got mixed nut butter. So this got almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds. Okay, I've never seen that before.
Daddy,
Yes.
Daddy, buy that, please. I want
Wait,
to
just
buy
because
that.
you say please and look cute doesn't mean I'm gonna buy it. This is more of a treat, but it has the same consistency as peanut butter. You guys already know, Nutella. So next to the peanut butter, we've got lots of jam. This is, what is this? 4 fruits, strawberries, cherries, red currants, raspberry. Look at this. This is the first time I've seen this one. So I bought the strawberry spread, but now they've got raspberry spread. Huh. So normally we buy our honey at the farm, but I've noticed they're stepping up their honey game. So this is just some normal wildflower honey, pretty standard, but look over here. They got the good stuff, and this looks local too. It says Northwest Raw, unfiltered honey, and it definitely looks more like what we buy at the farm. Tell me, if you've bought this before, was it really good? And then they've got this stuff, which is certified organic. I'm not sure how that works because honey seems to me it's just all organic anyways. Product of Brazil. Huh. I don't know about that. See, especially with honey or really anything, I'm trying to get as much local as possible. So, all right, last but not least is this Manuka honey. I've tried this before, but I'm not really a big fan. This is from New Zealand. And it actually says it. I don't know if it was the type that I got, but this was not really a type of honey that I like, but I guess this is really good for you and really rare. This box, which just has a bottle in this section, kind of a little deceiving with the packaging, 24 bucks, just to give you a comparison. The little bottle that's right behind here, compared to local Northwest honey, raw, unfiltered, 14 bucks. Okay, let's go get some ramen. This is our favorite instant ramen, the tonkotsu one. This one's solid. Because of Tiffy cooks, I've been getting into Taiwanese noodles, and this is not her brand, but because of her noodles, I tried this box, and this doesn't actually come with meat in it, but so it comes with these little flavor packets that you mix with different proteins or meats. I just use ground beef. It's all right. I would give this probably like a 7.8 out of 10. What I would suggest with this is cook some ground beef with maybe some onions. Put the flavor packet inside of that ground beef after you've cooked it, and then use some green onions or scallions and just sprinkle it over with these noodles. Solid meal. Never, never ever. That's imposter Kewpie. You don't get that stuff. See, the whole point of Kewpie is it has like a unique flavor to it. So when you make a Kewpie, just because it's branded that, if it doesn't have the flavor, hard pass. Just pass it. Just pass it. Just walk past it. No, I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. All right, this is the first time I've ever seen this. This is a mushroom snack. If you're eating mushrooms straight like this, you love mushrooms. Because this is pretty gnarly, even for me, and I love mushrooms. Anybody try these? Let me know. Another all-American eats is oatmeal, the Quaker brand. That's what's the most popular. And they've got apple cinnamon, maple brown sugar, cinnamon and spice. This is the Kirkland brand. Whoa, this whole bag, which will last you quite a while. Okay, that is a crazy good deal. $8? See, if I was hurting for cash and I need to eat something healthy, but would last me a while, rolled oats for sure. $8, that's a hell of a good deal. I don't know how they accomplish this, but this is gluten-free rolled oats. I wonder if it's because it's sprouted. See, anything sprouted is really healthy for you, so this might be something I would go for too. Oh dude, this is only $10 too. Now you don't get as much, but there's a lot there. Those are some good calories, especially for breakfast. Oh, overnight oats, really popular. That's what you would use right there. Just add some milk, maybe some dried fruit or berries. We all know the Costco hot dogs, great deal. $1.50, you get a drink with it, amazing. They're probably losing money on it. Secondly, rotisserie chicken. How much is that? $8 for a whole chicken. That's some good protein at $8. But the most underrated, best value at Costco, I didn't realize till just recently. Where is it? Oh, they're out of it. No, it's such a good deal. They're out of it right now. They're out of croissants. Hey, Leah, is Daddy gonna be in trouble?
No, you're not.
I'm not gonna be in trouble? I'm gonna be okay? Because I don't think I've ever come here and there wasn't croissants. They go through some serious flour here. What? Bagels? Mommy did say she likes bagels, so I vlogged it in the past. The whole pack of croissants, which gives you, I want to say about 12 to 14 of them, $6. Not even $6, and that's a good deal. Mia's saying we should get bagels as a replacement. Let's see. Let's just see how much this costs, okay? So you get 6 bagels, which would be good for one breakfast for us.
No.
You get that for, how much is this? Where does it say? Where's the price on it? Choose 2 of any mix and match bagels. Oh my gosh. So you get 2 of these. So you might as well get a second one. That's it. What about this one? The everything bagel?
I don't like everything.
You don't like everything bagel? What about this? There's a blueberry bagel. You want to look at those eyes? They've never gotten that, but that's a hella good deal. So each one of these are $4.
I like this.
Yeah? All right, let's go get these. Growing up, I used to always eat bagels, but as I got older, I wasn't really a fan of the sweet ones. And I especially like the everything bagel, but it's funny to see how big her smile was. Okay, I take that back. Rotisserie chicken, only $5. How did they do that for only $5, Mia? Huh? Good eyes, good eyes. Mia spotted the ravioli. I was looking for this. See, that's the thing. Sometimes when they're not in the regular aisle where they're supposed to be,
2 packs.
1 pack will be fine because we won't eat more than 2. One of the most convenient and delicious foods here. Mix it with some Rao's or even pesto.
You can make it with any sauce.
Good eats. Any sauce, yeah, any sauce. You could do a cheese sauce, Parmesan bechamel. Could you imagine a Parmesan bechamel with that? Mandarin orange chicken. Crazy cuisine. I know you want it. You want everything. The older girls, when they were little, so good about going to the grocery store with me and never asking for something. And then Leah comes into the picture. And she's always asking for ice cream. What? Oh, hey girls, would you rather have Johnny Pops than ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get Johnny Pops because we rarely see this. And this is kind of a special treat because we were looking for this one day and we couldn't find it.
Oh, Daddy, it
And I
was
like Johnny Pops. Oh, look, tropical paradise. Tropical paradise. Look at that smile.
See, Daddy?
Be careful and put it underneath. Thank you.
Daddy,
Mia's pointing out we used to get this stuff the island way. The sorbets are in actual fruit rinds or fruit, I don't know, like even the coconut shell has coconut sorbet on it. You like this one?
We used to get that melon one.
Really?
Yeah.
Sounds like you guys got all of them. Mia's telling me that Mommy wanted the vanilla ice cream. But you guys wanted the Johnny Pops. Does that mean we still have to get the vanilla ice cream?
Yes, because it's mommy.
Because it's mommy. Yeah, mommy gets what she wants. But then you know what that means, right? You know what that means?
No.
If mommy gets it, that means you guys get it too. I've never had these mandarin oranges, but I love these. Here's some more mandarin oranges, but you want something that's decadent? I've already vlogged this 3 times now.
We got this one time.
This right here is so good. Did you like this one? I love
only
this.
got it once.
Let's see, I wonder what the ingredients are. Okay, water, mandarin slices, fructose, sugar, okay, thickener blend. Okay, so not really supernatural, but damn, this maybe one of my favorite desserts here. 20 grams of sugar, so it is pretty sweet.
But is it
But
good?
calories, it says 90. This is how I like it, girls. Very, very slow, very, very quiet. Normally I skip the snack aisle, but I just was curious. This caught my eye. Dave's Killer Bread organic snack bars. Interesting. Brownie bites and then honey almond. Branding is really cool on it. Remember this guy on Food Network? Robert Irvine. He had the same concept show after Gordon Ramsay. I'm actually a fan. He's like the rock of the Food Network. What's that smile I saw? Huh?
Huh?
Are you thinking we're gonna buy
I'm
something?
Leah.
Okay, what's Leah doing?
She's trying out all the swings.
What are you doing over there? We're huge fans of this company, the Seattle Chocolate Company. Look at this. Little assorted truffles. That's cool. What flavors? They got champagne, Mexican hot chocolate, milk chocolate, San Juan, sea salt, mint chocolate cookie, and dark chocolate. So Costco is a Pacific Northwest company. Was started here in Washington. I noticed they have a lot of Seattle brands. I'm curious, at your guys' Costco, do they source a lot of local companies, or do you see a lot of Seattle or Washington-based companies at your Costco in other parts of the country or other parts of the world? I'm assuming that they actually source locally, but let me know in the comments. I think they ran out of chicken bakes.
Yeah,
What's that? They have more chicken bake? I don't think so.
do you think she's getting a box?
No, I don't think so. No, I don't see any more.
I see it, Daddy.
Hey.
Right there.
Hey, I don't see any more chicken bakes. No, there's no more. Those are for other people. Where? Where's the chicken bake at? No, I think that's for other people. You have to share with your sister though, okay? Here, give this to them. Come on. The Costco cookies might be the top 3 in the world. Well, once Uncle Chris got me a chocolate chip cookie from Legoland, and that was pretty good. The Legoland, I don't know what they're doing over there. And then the other cookie, I would have to say, it's actually one that my friend's wife makes, which is really, really, really good. Megan. I highly doubt Megan's watching this, but she's got literally the best cookies. But the Costco cookies, bomb. What do you say? Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah. Take care. Okay. So total today, $210. We got everything we needed, and quite a bit more. But it's just because I forgot about this stuff, like the ravioli. No meat today though, other than those sausages. Ah! No line. Love it.